This is John Ibbotson with iAutomation. In part 2 of the onboarding demonstration, you will see how you can search and process forms with workflow. We make search extremely simple. All you have to do is highlight the name of your employee in any system, including an email. You might highlight an employee number or a social security number. As long as you're able to highlight that with your mouse and press a keyboard combination we set up for you, it'll instantly launch the system with that employee's files. So search is that simple. In a matter of minutes, we could train your whole staff on how to access the files. Now, of course, there's security built in, so they only can access the files that they have permissions to. But extremely simple to find any electronic form, like you see with the onboarding form, or any of the related documents that are filed under Davy Crockett. Of course, this also includes any additional documents that you scan and submit into the system for this employee. So that's how easy we make the search. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to process the onboarding forms and documents within the system. All you have to do is go to your workflow. It instantly brings up a list of all of the forms that have been submitted into the system. You can sort them by many different values, by priority. So what we're going to do here is just check off that we want to complete a few items here. So we're going to go ahead and click our Perform Work option. What it does is it gives us instructions. It tells us exactly what to do. It, of course, presents us with the form on the right-hand side, along with all the related documents you need to review before you make a decision. In this case, what we're doing is reviewing the information to make sure they entered everything properly, and then we're going to the employer-only section. So like we said before, these forms are dynamic. The employee never sees this information when they're completing the form. This only appears when they actually, when it's submitted into the system. So now, in the case of Rutherford, you'll notice that all of that information that's required for the I-9 is pre-populated in this employer section. So all you have to do as the employer is sign this part and click Done, Submit. And what it does is it automatically updates all of the documents with that new signature from you as the employer. So you'll see here in just a moment when I go to the I-9 and we scroll down to the employer section, which is on page 2, you'll see that we've updated that with the signature from you as the employer. So we make it extremely fast for you to search, but then process all of your onboardings in a matter of minutes versus dealing with the large sums of paper and all the time associated with intake and filing that paper or maybe scanning that paper. This removes all of that and really just gives you back a whole lot of time to focus on your employees and developing them. So thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. We look forward to seeing you at the conference. Have a great day.